Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. I'm back with the new video that is the most important topic in Big Data, that are the different V's that are present in Big Data. V's are related to the concept or how the Big Data can be described with the help of 5 V's. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe it. Let us start with the video. So the different 5 V's in Big Data are as follows, that is volume, variety, veracity and velocity. One more V is there, that is volume. So volume, as the name indicate, it denotes the size of the data. The velocity denotes the speed of the data. The variety denotes the different types of data that are collected, and the veracity is the uncertainty of the data. So one additional V that is incorporated nowadays into the big data is the value, and the value refers to the trustworthiness or the correctness of the data. So we'll see one by one in brief. So as the name indicate, volume deals with the large amount of data or the size of data, the different amount of data from different sources that we are collecting to do the analysis. The velocity refers to the speed of data at which the data is being generated and stored. So if you want to see how the data is being generated, I have explained a simple video where I have denoted that how much amount of data is being generated in 1 minute. So the link to that video will be in the description as well as in the I section above. You can see from it. The variety of the data deals with the different type of data, since the data may be structured, unstructured, semi-structured. So we are collecting the data from different sources and in the different forms. Next is the veracity of the data. So the degree to which big data can be trusted. Veracity deals with the uncertainty of the data, means either we can trust the data or whether the data that we are collecting is really useful for us or it is unwanted data. That point is covered in the veracity. And the value refers to the business value of the data collected, means whatever the data we have collected, how much amount of data is really worthy for us or how much amount of data is really paying the knowledge or the interpretation to the user. So these are the different fives in big data. So in this video, the volume that is connected or that can be stored in terabytes, gigabytes, it contains different records. So the tables, files, all these things comes under the volume because they describe the size of the data. The velocity describes the speed, means whether it is a batch processing, whether it is a real-time processing, because real-time processing is faster, whether it is a stream processing. So all these things related to the speed or related to the processing speed are covered under the velocity. The value denotes the usefulness of the data, means whatever the data we have collected, among that what is the important statistical measure or what are the correlation values or what is the hypothetical values that we are getting from the data. Next is the veracity. Veracity deals with the trustworthiness, means whether the data that we have collected that is useful or not, whether that data is needed for authentication, how is the data originated, whether the data is available, accountable. All these things related to the uncertainty are covered under the velocity. And the variety deals with different types of data. So it can be a structured data or unstructured data or multi-factor data or linked data and so on. So these are the 5 different V's that are present in big data, and we have seen the different concept related to 5 V's in big data. So these V are very important in big data. I hope everyone is clear with the idea of the 5 V's. Thank you for watching the video, and for more such videos on machine learning and big data, stay tuned toward the channel. Thank you everyone. For more updates on machine learning and big data, make sure you follow me on Instagram and also DM me your queries there. My ID is provided in the description box. Thank you everyone.